In this video, I will guide you on how to fix eBay cannot accept payment. First, you want to check your billing address and make sure it exactly matches the address associated with your payment method. To do that, launch open any web browser and go to ebay.com, or you can open the eBay app as well. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on this profile icon. From here, find the option of account. Go ahead and tap on it. Now find the option of payments. Go ahead and tap that. Here, you want to check if your billing address is exactly the same address associated with your payment method. Incorrect or mismatched billing information can prevent the payment from going through. Next, you want to clear your browser, cookies, and cache data. For that, tap on the three dots, then find the option of delete browsing data. Now, select all time. Select cookies, cached, and other site data and tap on the delete data option. If you're using the eBay app, then you want to clear the app's cache. Once that is done, try again and check if that fixes your problem. When entering your payment information, carefully check that all your details are correct. Then try submitting the payment again. If the issue continues, you can simply contact the eBay customer support and they will help you fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.